I'm hoping that by now you've had the opportunity to take our fertility root cause quiz, and you've also received your results with what the real cause of your infertility may be. It's one of our key diagnostic tools at the 90-Day Fertility Fix. The answer to restoring your fertility lies in understanding the womb-gut connection and then identifying which aspect of your infertility are disturbed. This will help you to understand what your pathway to restoring your fertility truly means.
Our goal is to bring you a step closer to addressing your infertility root causes so that you can finally reach your goal of becoming a mother. Your root cause quiz results are critical to locating which aspects of your womb-gut connection are most disturbed.
We literally developed this root cause quiz as a gift for women trying to conceive because we've been you. We've sat in those doctor's appointments and not gotten clarity, even after months. And we know women get unexplained infertility diagnoses all the time. And real talk, it's lazy and reckless. There is a reason. And if we just look a little deeper, there are reasons. So ideally, you take the root cause quiz and we see what areas are affecting your fertility the most.